na dito. Alam nila ang daan pupunta dito.
Pinapaklasan po nila, nakapagpusin. Ian Cruz po. Sir, good evening po.
Okay, sorry.
Secondary ako din nag-init ang ulo ko. Nagabalikas ko. Tingin muna ako ng maganda. Sana yung iba na maganda? Bakit yung puro lalaki dito?
Sir, di ka nasama si Gina eh. Sorry ah.
Si Mia.
Wala din sir eh.
Si Jem na lang.
Wala na, umay lang kayo.
Tinanong ko din sir eh.
Ayaw ko.
Ayaw mo.
I'd like to address myself to the Filipino people. I decided to declare a unilateral ceasefire because I know that the Philippines need peace to survive in the coming generation. Actually, it is not for us na nagtatrabaho tayo dito, including you, but it is for our children. I have dealt with everybody in good faith. I've never foisted a lie. Hindi ko trabaho yan because it is not the obligation of the president to lie. Hindi ko, not part of my mandate na magsisinungaling. So I decided to declare the ceasefire with the NDF, CPP, and PA. Nauna ako. And many days ago, ang reply ng komunista is parang defensive position. They naman stand down. You know, that is not a good response. Alam mo nila ang sitwasyon. Hindi nila kailangan mag-aral pa. All they have to do is to count the body bags. Mga namatay sa kanila, pati yung sa gobyerno. I was expecting that they would also reciprocate my implorings for peace with the ceasefire on their side. At least yun ang sagot sana nila. Ang problema nito, hindi ko malaman ngayon whether they are into really it for peace or dinadyamin nila ako. So I'd like to issue this statement. Hindi ko kayo tinatakot. Pag ayaw ninyo, okay sir. We fight for another generation, okay sir. Wala na akong magawa. Even before I became president, makakausap tayo, ay ako yung pumupunta dito, kinukuha ko yung mga bihag na sundalo, mga pulis. So, but in return, you had access to the city of Davao. Walang gumagalaw sa inyo. May mamatay nga sa inyo, ako pa ang nagpapagador, and I had to tell the military, you know, we cannot win this war by violence. It is not really the way to civilization. Walang mananalo dito, puro maghirap. No, kung sa panahon ko ayaw ninyo, pasensya. But I'm trying to seek peace with everybody, MIMN. Huwag lang yung mga criminal. Abu Sayyaf is out of the question. Ito lang may driven by ideology. For example, sabi na ng mga Muslim na mga muro dito sa Mindanao, inagaw ang mga... Well, anyway, yes, because it is a product of imperialism. Ako na dito, mga Espanyol, sila naman yung nag-agaw, hindi naman kami. Kami kapatid ninyo, magkaparehong mukha natin halos. Tignan mo ako sa malayo, akala mo, MN ako. Tignan mo ako sa distansya, you'll be surprised na kakamukha ko yung MI commander ninyo. Because you're all Malay. Problem is, nauna yung Islam sa Mindanao, then came Christianity. So that's really a problem. And it has overtaken so many centuries. Ito namang CPP-NP, I was a student, I was there. I was really a spectator of how it evolved. So alam ko ngayon, it's fundamentally wrong for the Filipino to kill a citizen and for the rebels to wage a war that is wala. Ano? Ilang taon na? You cannot even occupy a barangay. Tapos bigyan niyo ako ng gusto ko magmura. I dealt with you in good faith. You tell me if you are not ready to deal in the same manner. Dali-dali lang mag-ceasefire. Ako isang salita lang, informal pa. I said, it's about time that you stop the killing. There is mga implorings natin sa Diyos na gusto natin manahimik ng buhay. God, ilan na namatay Pilipino? Sino pumatay? Pilipino rin. Ang problema sa inyo, you carry the element of hate. Diskumpiyado kayo, tell me that I will order the army or police out of the mountains. That is out of the question. Sinabi ko na yan sa inyo noon at the start ay Alto Philip. It is not an issue at all because ayaw ko makipag-usap ng ang may-ari nitong lupa dito lahat. Republic of the Philippines, the people of the Philippines. Ang pambaba nila, the spokesman is me because I am the elected leader of this nation. Sana nga kung hindi ako, di mabuti, I give it to somebody else. So I am asking you, are you ready to declare a ceasefire or hindi? I will, alas 5 ng hapon, I will wait for that declaration. Alas 5 rin bukas ng hapon. That's a good thing. If I don't get a word from you, then I will lift the order of ceasefire. I cannot withdraw any soldier or policeman dito sa bukid. Ang mabuti nito is you have my solemn guarantee. Eh di, barilin niyo ako. I'll face you someday. O gusto niyo, punta tayo ka oras. Ngayon na. I'm willing to do that. Wala akong problema. I can order the military na. Okay, sumasama sa akin. I'll go to oras if you want. Ano ba gusto niya? Ano ba gusto ninyo? I'm going out of my way. Nandiyan yung road to, gumanon ako just to express to you the need for peace. Kasi we have to develop Mindanao hanggang may gera dito. Yung mga tao na yan, gutom yan. Anak naman. Eh kasi pagkakala ninyo, hindi kaya ng gobyerno namin. When you try me, ay pag ayaw lang, barilin mo ako, total lumalakad ako ng gabi. Then kill me if I am wrong. It should take. Nandito ang media, I will wait. I cannot tarry. Why would I place the lives of my soldier in jeopardy? Maghintay sila ngayon. Pwede mag-patrol yan. Sino hinanap? Yung kidnapper, mga drug pusher, mga lahat. Sinabi ko sila, drug pusher, kasali yan sa order of battle. Di ba sinabi ko kayo? Wala namang ako nalaman nga. I have requested you to help me in the fight against drugs. You expressed that desire. Mabuti pang MILF. Sabi nila, makisali sila, at least may narinig ako na, I don't know, if I'm wrong, correct me about execution. Good. Okay, isang ano dyan. So, bakit dito, pwede daldal ng, ano ba yung nagbubulaan tayo? I am simply not up to it. Yung lukuhan. Sa katanda, pag na dito, maglalaro pa ba tayo ng mga patay dyan. tignan mo gasto ko. This is the way I protect them. The Office of the President will extend financial assistance sa namatay. 250,000. Those killed in action. Personal suffering or sustaining major injuries, 50,000. Kung minor. Wounded, 100,000. Kita mo ang gastos ko. Bala ninyo, ilan ito? 250, 350. Di 400, pakain mo na sana yung walang kain dito. This is the cost. Hindi mo kayo bumabayad ng buwis. Kayo nga naghihingi dito sa lahat dito. Banana, huwag tayo magbulan. Banana, pineapple. So ako, gano'n rin ang tulong ko sa sundalo ng gobyerno. Ay, kayo. May marami ang happening nyo si ano. Yung congressman nila, marami ang marami ang yan dito. Alam mo, totoo lang. Ito ano. I'd like to address myself to it. Kung ako, ayaw ko magpunto. Bakit? Magastos. It will run into billions. Sa National Security Council, kasabi ko, easily I'll be spending like about 200-300 billion. Napakasayang ng pera. Sabi ko yung Congress na lang. Sabi ko kayo, Pilipino naman kayo. Kaya ba ninyong talikuran ang bayan ninyo? Ganon kadali. Ipagbili na natin itong Pilipinas. But ako, I have trust. Ito mga senador, mga ano. Baski na anong sabihin mo, pinili ng mga tao yan. That is the essence of democracy. We elect leaders. Mga senador niyan, ilang dekada na. It means to say, ang tao may trust. Because you look at the CONAS with distrust. Para rin sabihin, nanakaw mo yan sila. You know, you do not have any monopoly of anything in this planet. Kung masyado magdali ng salita ang isulto na, kasi huwag yan, kung gusto mo, and besides, I'll be there. Hindi naman ako tanga, magpapahig ako ng konstitusyon na anti-Filipino. Yan ang masahan ninyo. That is the job of the President. If worse comes to worse, alam nila ang anong mangyari sa kanila pag binastos nila ang Pilipino. I will not allow it. I will not. So, you can only come up with the constitution that is responsive to the will of the people. And I will be there to read what you have worked on. Itong party list, it will never come again. Bagong konstitusyon, I will insist, no party list. Inabuso lahat yan. Dapat yung mga mayaman, ang nananalo yung may pera, representing the what? The security guards. Yan, that's the mockery of the law. Yan talaga ang pinaka-bastos magawa mo. Kasi ito yung pera, mabili ka ng ano dyan, ano ba yung ano mo? United Idiots Association. Tatakbo, yan. Nagkalat kayo dyan na kayong mga left, nandiyan, marami kayo. Are you not really worried about what happens to the next generation? Ano ba yan, pag-isip yung mga anak ninyo? Same manner itong droga. You will destroy the next generation. They will never find peace. With the threat of ISIS looming in the horizon. May Abu Sayyaf dyan, which affiliated with the ISIS. Do you think we will have a comfortable tomorrow? Tapos, dagan pa ninyo. Pwede sige. Ito mga sundalo naman, ito yung trabaho. Nagtitrain nga, pumatay. They are trying to kill. So if you want killing, fine. Let's do it. Tayo magkaibigan. I for my country. Period. I do not belong to anybody. No party or ideology owns me. Yung existence ko sa pagkatao, it is God-given. Only God who can tell me what I should be or what I would espouse to my fellow. Buti ang magkakaroon. Ako di ako galit. Pero there's a cadaver there. Taga rito yan. Ano mo sa totoo? Ang ideology dapat ang bumaba. It's not the physical person. Yan ang alisin natin ito. Kalamar. Mas di naman kalamar kasi walang sundalo. Yung pro-government. Yung anti-government. Mag-aaway na. That's very sad because government, walang magawa ang gobyerno dahil yung mga sundalo, siyempre yung ano na-influence na nila because there is a huwag tayo magbulan. May idea dito, sinusugpo ng gobyerno yan because to us, that is destructive. The idea of the ideology that you're bringing in is not acceptable to us. Kasi kung mabuti yan, kung magpapaganda ng buhay sa Pilipinas, dagdagan ko pa tayo, sige, sabay tayo. Ngayon, kung wala nga ano, ang sundalo naman, mobile, there's never enough soldiers also to guard every inch of this island, even double it. So, paramilitary, that's a natural option. Because in a war, it is numbers, superiority of numbers, and labanan sa idea. Kayo naman, ilang mga dato na, last time, inambot. Kaya sabi ko, let me end by saying, deal with us, deal with me in government, in good faith. Wala tayong bulahan. Because I have shown already many years ago my sincerity and selling this idea to you, we need to stop fighting. That's why I accommodated everybody. Marami nang left na dyan sa gobyerno. But what I cannot give you, good as any other time to say now, yung police pati military akin. Nobody intrudes in that territory. All others, inyo na. I'm offering to you almost everything. Wag lang police military. It's out of the question. Pag ayaw niyo tanggapin yan. So, thank you.
Bahala ang